Hey, 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 hey. Hello, hello, everybody. How are you? We're going to do an unboxing. We got some happy mail. And I decided I'm going to open it in front of you. I can't sing, by the way. Anyhow, this box is from Captured by Radiance. It's the first purchase I've made from them. So I don't know. We shall see. I saw a review of this. Someone else completed it and I thought, oh, I want it. And it was out of stock. And so I asked to be notified when it was restocked, and I received the notification and I bought it to add to my incredible stock. I'm in the mood today. Captured by Radiance. This is how it comes in the box. And then it's a nice little nylon mesh bag, which is nice, not too heavy. And boop, a little toolkit bag with I had heard that you would get a crystal of some type in your bag. I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna show you this other stuff first. But I like the one I received. You have tweezers with the cap. And then our usual pen with a squishy to go on the pen. And then the tray and some wax, blue wax, and 2 multi-placers. I believe it's a 4 and a 7, if I'm not mistaken. As well as some washi tape. Woohoo! I love getting washi tape. Okay. So that was all in the bag, along with a rose quartz. And I think the rose quartz signifies love. I could attract more love with this rose quartz. I used to have one. I don't know what happened to it. I fell in love and didn't need it anymore. I don't know. Oh, so it's so cute. It is a rose quartz cover minder. It looks like I could wear it as a necklace as well, because there's a hole. I don't know if you all can see that. See the hole? I can put a necklace, put it around my neck and wear it, or use it as a cover minder. Boom, boom, boom. How sweet. I really like that. I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't lose it. And now it's time to take a look at this canvas. I have so many unboxings that I could do for you all. Actually, 126. Because that is what my stash is, I think, at the moment. It's ongoing all the time. I need to share my spreadsheet with you all. We have the drills, individually bagged, not in the cellophane, but in plastic. Yay! So you can just work right out of those bags if you'd like. And here she is. Oh, did I forget to tell y'all her name? It is, I know I showed you the box, Enchanting Edge by Captured by Radiance. She was so adorable. Look at her. Oh, those big blue eyes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't she just gorgeous? She's so adorable. And she comes with a sticker sheet. so that you can pull these stickers off, put them on your containers to put your drills in. And then you know which one to do. And you can put your little, the sticker of her in your sticker book. And I need to do a video on my sticker book. I haven't done it yet. This one is 50 by 64 centimeters. And I hope, whoops, I dropped the box. She's adorable. How precious. Sorry for the glare. So, I'm excited to do her. I've seen her completed and she's lovely. So, I just had to have her. And those big, beautiful blue eyes. So check out Captured by Radiance's website. And check out their other masterpieces that await you. Okay, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video on your way out, please hit like and subscribe. It's free. And then you can be notified the next time I do a video. Have a good one. Bye.